Statistics show that 9,000 animals die every day in shelters across the United States. In 2016, PAWS was able to save 818 animals, making our grand total beginning from January 2011 to January 1st of 2017, a total of 3,537 animals. Our organization is 100% volunteer. We are a 501c3 group that receives no government funding or grants.
Thanks to the generosity of the people at Aire Serv, our animals here at PAWS now have a climate-controlled environment where they can be very comfortable.
PAWS is located at 400 West Walnut in Jacksonville, Illinois. Our hours of operation are Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 10 to 4. You can reach us by phone at 217-243-7297. You can also follow us on Facebook at PAWS Jackson. We like to promote spay and neuter